All right, let's take a look at this assignment here on wave parameters. So this document here is going to be very helpful. Seriously, you're just going to use it pretty much over and over again. You got to be careful on this assignment. First off, make sure your calculator is in radian mode, even though you really shouldn't need your calculator for this problem. There's only one part. I'm just waiting for this to open here. Only one part where we even could use the calculator, but you should know cosine of zero, cosine of pi, and so forth. Let's just download this. Okay, so where people mess up on this problem is they forget to distribute this pi right here. Distribute the pi. Then all of this should be easy. Amplitude, we know, is the number right in front. We know period is related to the number in front of t. Don't forget about the pi. Wavelength is related to the number in front of x. Don't forget about the pi. Listen to my words here. There is a Chegg solution to this entire assignment. Some person submitted this assignment to Chegg a couple of years ago, and I refused to rewrite the problem. For this part right here, they did something really weird that no student would ever think to do. Wave speed is very easy to calculate. We'll take a look at the wave parameters document here in a minute. By far the easiest way to calculate wave speed. Whoever wrote the solution on Chegg used some weird formula that I don't even remember, omega over k or k over omega, whatever it is. No student would ever think to do it that way. If you solve this part right here using that weird formula, I know instantly that you use Chegg and that's an F in the course. Don't be that guy. Make sure you have units on all of these. And then this is literally just plug and chug. That's your X. See, it goes XT. That's your X. That's your T. Don't forget about the pi there. And then again, you really should just know what I forget what we get here, cosine of pi, cosine of 2 pi, whatever it is. You should just know that based on the graph of cosine. If you have to use your calculator, use your calculator. Don't forget about that 5 there. Don't forget about units on every part. Okay, now let's talk about wave speed. The easiest way to calculate wave speed using our wave parameters document here. Lambda times f. What is lambda? Lambda of wavelength. We just found the wavelength. What is f? It's the frequency. Frequency is just 1 over period, or period is 1 over frequency. Hey, we just calculated the frequency. So to calculate the wave speed, we could just do lambda over t, wavelength over period. Hey, that's the easiest way. We just found both of these numbers. Just divide them. And leave your answer as a fraction. Like you get nice, pretty fractions, nice, pretty answers on all parts here. If you get any weird decimals, you've done something wrong. If you get any pies in any of your answers, you've done something wrong. That's a good place to stop.